Once you have some artwork in place, you probably want to fill in the About tab, which is going to tell people about your channel. This is pretty straightforward. Let's go to the page here and make sure we click on About. Here, you'll see additional information, the ability to add a description, business contact information, and a location. I've included some placeholder text inside the exercise file folder that you can use. Let's open that up, and I'll select the text and copy. Now we can switch back. Let's click to add the channel description and paste. Now you may notice here that I have Grammarly running. This is a third-party utility that's useful as you're typing in web browsers for spelling and grammar check. I'll go ahead here and just close this, and you see it gives me an overview about the type of content and how it sounds. You can go ahead and explore that service more on your own, but as you look here, you see it's pretty straightforward. Not a lot of formatting is supported. For example, you can't use bold or bullets. So if you're going to need that, make sure you look at alternatives here when you add the channel description. You also may notice that the channel description may appear in a few places. You can click here to learn more. Additionally, if you want, you can add an email for business connections. I'll enter a corporate email and click Done. And as you saw before, you can add any custom links or URLs as needed. When you're all set, click Done to store the changes. Now, under the About tab, you'll be able to see information. You can also assign a location based on your geography. Notice at the top here, I'm viewing this as myself. This shows me the ability to edit. But if I want, I can switch over and turn this to what a new visitor would see. And you see it looks a little bit different. Or, let's go back. I can see it as a channel subscriber. And in this case, no real difference between the two, but this will affect things like the layout of the homepage. In any case, that information has been added and the artwork is in place and the branding as well. This makes it easy to see the content and really start to explore things. At this point, I think it's looking pretty good. We've got custom artwork, we've got our website added, and we've got the ability to learn a little bit more about the company. Now that we've got things set up, we now need to really make the page or the channel ready for interaction with others. To do this, we'll explore our discussion settings that control how people can engage with us and each other.